Choose Build Configuration Language as Groovy DSL. Once the project is created, give it some time for Gradle project synchronization to complete. Expand Gradle scripts and open the project build.gradle. Now it's time to head to our project view and navigate to the source directories. We should be expecting a Python source folder to be created anytime soon, as per our Gradle build configuration. The Python source folder is now created. I right-click that folder and create our Python script myhelper.py in that folder. If this directory was not created, head to Build and click on Run Generate Sources Gradle Tasks. Right-click the Python folder and create a Python file.